This is very impromptu, but I was about to leave my house today and I saw a package coming down. I was like, oh my God, I didn't even order nothing. What is it? I got this box from Good Molecules. I was so excited to open it up. I honestly have no idea what's in here. So I'm about to find out. Wow, this is pretty. Damn, look how colorful that is. They know how to get a girl. See a difference in your skin. Rare. Good Molecules. After 10 years working in beauty, there's a funny thing I noticed about skincare. Regardless of how much you spend, results are usually the same. Quote, I didn't notice a difference in my skin. The truth is most brands spend more on the jar than the formula inside. I bet that's true. And we wonder why their products don't work. That's the reason we started Good Molecules, to create products that make a difference in your skin. Products filled with ingredients backed by science at a price you can feel good about too. We publish a nothing to hide ingredient list on the side of each box so you know exactly how much of each we use. That is really nice. I'm excited for you to try Good Molecules and see a difference in your skin. I'm going to make sure you tag you guys. Niels, co-founder, and it's never tested on animals. I know we love our pets, so pet gang. Okay, so the wrapping paper looks like it has some ingredients that are in these products. Ooh, oh, macadamia, I can read that. Cocoa, can't read. Rubiganosa oil, rosa, shea butter, hyaluronic acid. What? That's a big word for him, Will. Oh gosh. Okay, I am so excited. Y'all really don't understand. A brightening toner. You can see these dark marks on my face from acne over the years. So we'll see if this works. Discoloration correcting serum. Also excited about this. Pink. Overnight exfoliating treatment. Oh my. Pink. Ultra hydrating facial oil. This is what I need because I get real dry right around this nose area, especially during the winter time. This is like all ash. Okay, they are now available at Ulta Beauty if you didn't know. Okay, and I'm glad they gave me some steps because I know I need them. So let's see. Step 1, cleanse, of course, tone. Then you use the treatment or serum, moisturize, and then SPF. I also have some recommendations here. More beautiful wrapping paper. This stuff is thick. And then I, of course, am going to use this box for something else. Probably some more hair products. Okay. I'm going to pop these bad boys open. Just to see like what kind of size they are. This is the overnight exfoliating treatment. I swear I can get it open if I try hard enough. Hold on. I can't get it open. I got it. All right, I got it. Ooh. This is a drop bottle. Very excited to use this. This brightening toner. This box looks durable. Okay, this one was easier to open for me. In a nice glass, dark shade bottle. Probably not supposed to get too much sunlight, I'm assuming. Preservation. Yes, preservation. Facial oil dropper bottle. Probably not supposed to get too much sun or stay in a warm, hot place. Discoloration correcting serum. Who knows if I'll make a video actually using these. I just might. But we'll see. But thank you guys so much. I'm so excited to use these. And see a difference in my skin. All right, thanks. Bye.